So good afternoon students. Now we are going to discuss about the types of electrodes. So next heading is types of electrodes. Types of electrodes. How many types of electrodes are there? So generally 4 types we are going to discuss. So first one is metal ion electrode. Metal ion electrode. Second one is gas electrodes. Third one is the metal insoluble electrode. Metal salt electrode. Next, fourth one is oxidation reduction electrode. That is what nothing but redox electrode. We are going to discuss about the metal ion electrode, gas electrode, metal insoluble, oxidation and reduction electrode, that is redox electrode. So in gas electrode we have 3 types: hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, and oxygen gas. We are going to discuss each for 2 to 3 lines for about the metal ion, gas electrode. All these we will discuss. First heading is metal ion electrode. So name only contains the answer. So generally metal ion means what? So for example, in this metal is placed metal is dipped in its own electrolytic solution. So that means zinc rod placed in zinc sulfate solution, zinc rod placed in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod placed in the copper sulfate solution. So first you should write these points. Metal is dipped in its own electrolytic solution. So for example, like zinc rod placed in the zinc sulfate, copper rod placed in the copper sulfate solutions, etc. So that means what? M plus Z electrons. So M plus N electrons. So M plus N, that gain of N electrons, it converted into metal in solid form. So next you should write representation of electrode. Representation of electrode is, you should write metal solid in M plus N electrons. So this is the representation of this metal ion electrode. You should write 2 to 3 points. What is that? So zinc rod in this metal is dipped in its own electrolytic solution. So that means what? Zinc rod placed in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod placed in the copper sulfate solution. That means M plus N electrons plus by gain of N electrons, it converted into metal solid form. So representation of the electrode is, so metal solid comma metal plus N electrons. So this is about the metal ion electrode. So next we are going to discuss about gas electrode. Next heading is gas electrode. First in gas electrode we are going to discuss about hydrogen gas electrode. Small diagram is there. You should write that this is the beaker containing H plus ions. So it contains HCl solution. HCl solution means H plus plus Cl minus, and also this is the platinum foil. So this hydrogen gas is bubbled through the HCl solution. So in this hydrogen gas electrode, so hydrogen gas is bubbled through the HCl solution, while contacting electrode is a platinum electrode. You should write this point. Hydrogen gas is bubbled through the HCl solution, while contacting electrode is a platinum electrode. You should write. So next, H plus by gain of electron, it converted into half H2 because it is a reversible electrode. Next you should write representation. Representation is a representation for hydrogen gases. Representation is what? Representation is platinum hydrogen gas is placed in H plus ions, aqueous, right? H plus ions. So H plus by gain of electron, it converted into half H2. So that is reversible electrode. Representation is platinum H2 H plus. So next is chlorine gas. Next is chlorine gas you should write. So chlorine gas electrode. Same chlorine gas is also same. In place of this you should write chlorine gas. So chlorine gas is nothing but equal to hydrogen gas, but chlorine gas is bubbled through the HCl solution, while contacting electrode is a platinum electrode. You should write that point. While contacting electrode is a platinum electrode, then so chlorine plus chlorine, it converted into Cl minus. Half chlorine is converted into Cl minus by gain of electron. It converted into Cl minus aqueous. So representation is same like, so Cl2 at Cl minus, Cl2 at Cl minus. You should use platinum electrode. So this is about chlorine gas electrode. Next is oxygen gas electrode. Oxygen gas electrode. So in oxygen gas electrode, it does not, chlorine gas is a reversible electrode, whereas in oxygen gas electrode does not behave as true electrode. So in this what happens means, oxygen gas is bubbled through the hydroxyl solution. Oxygen gas is bubbled through the hydroxyl solution. Oxygen gas is bubbled through the hydroxyl solution. So oxygen gas is bubbled through the hydroxyl solution. So this does not behave as true electrode. This does not behave as true electrode. True reversible electrode. This does not behave as true reversible electrode. This is about gas electrode. In gas electrode, we discussed about the hydrogen gas electrode, chlorine gas electrode, and oxygen gas electrode. In next electrode is the metal insoluble electrode. Metal insoluble electrode. Third one is metal insoluble electrode. Example for this is calamol electrode. Metal insoluble electrode. So in metal insoluble electrode generally, so metal insoluble means reference electrode you should take. So that is what calamol electrode. You should write. So that you should take. For example of this electrode is a calamol electrode. First point you should write. Example of this electrode is a calamol electrode, and so this is used as reference electrode. This is used as reference electrode. Reference electrode. So the E calamol is 0.2422 volts. So this contains a fixed value, that is 0.2422 volts. So whereas, and the representation is Hg2Cl2 in Cl minus ions. Hg2Cl2 in Cl minus ions. So that is nothing but KCl solution, whatever it is. So this is the representation is Hg2Cl2 in Cl minus. This is about metal insoluble electrode. Only 3 points you should write in the examination. So that is what. So example of this electrode is a calamol electrode, and this is reference used as a reference electrode. For this E calamol is 0.2422 volts. Representation is Hg2Cl2 Cl minus. Next example of category is, next another type of electrodes is oxidation reduction electrode. Oxidation, fourth one is oxidation reduction electrode. Oxidation reduction electrode. In oxidation reduction electrode, so first you should write example of this electrode is a quinhydron electrode. Quinhydron electrode, and so this is used as an indicator electrode. This is used as indicator electrode. EQ in QH2. This is quinhydron. So that value is 0.6922 volts. 6922 volts. So generally these indicator electrodes are used in the acid-base titrations. Quinhydron electrode, indicator electrode, and representation is platinum QH2 in H plus ion. So this is about oxidation reduction electrode. So example of this is quinhydron electrode, and it is used as an indicator electrode in acid-base titrations. So next, so the EQ in QH2 is 0.6922 volts, and representation is platinum QH2 in H plus ion, H plus aqueous. So this is all about the types of electrodes. Next video we will discuss about the potentiometric titrations. In next video we will discuss about the potentiometric titrations. Thank you.